Hi guys, and welcome back to my easy painting channel. Today we'll be creating a super simple yet stunning painting that will look absolutely incredible in your home. This project is perfect for beginners or anyone who's looking to add a creative touch to their space. Let's start by gathering all the supplies we'll need: an extra wide flat brush, canvas, or you can use pressed cardboard like I am. 2 to 3 shades of green paint plus white, black and gold paint, a water spray bottle and a painter's knife. To begin, spray a generous amount of water on your working surface. This will help the paint blend beautifully, creating a soft, blurry effect. Start with black paint, diluting it heavily with water. Spread it across your surface, letting the transparency and blur set the foundation. Once this layer is dry, add another layer, this time using white paint. This creates a cloud-like texture that adds depth and softness. Let it dry completely before moving on. Now that your base is ready, it's time to add green. Spray water again to keep the surface wet, allowing the paint to flow and blend seamlessly. Apply your green paint, and if you notice any harsh lines, spray a bit more water to soften them. Once you're happy with the greens, introduce some black paint into composition. This will create depth and dimension in your work. Here's a fun technique. Tilt your canvas and let the paint drip naturally. This gives the paint a dynamic, abstract feel. If you want to avoid visible drip marks, you can gently blend them with your fingers or use a napkin to dab any excess water and paint. I decided to bring back some white paint at the bottom to balance the composition, and you can do the same if you feel it needs more light. Once you're satisfied, let it dry completely. For the next layer, we will use the second shade of green. Apply this directly onto your surface, and while it's still wet, mix in some black paint. Blend the two colors until you achieve the look you're going for. Don't rush. This is your chance to play with design and contrast. Once again, let everything dry before moving on to the final step. And now for the grand finale, gold paint. Using your painter's knife, apply the gold freely, letting your instinct guide you. Experiment with different techniques. Use the edge of the knife for the lines or the flat side for broader strokes. Add texture and detail until the gold shines just the way you want it. And that's it, guys, your painting is complete. This simple yet elegant piece will surely bring a unique charm to any space. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy painting projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.